We are back at our friend's place, Brian and Chris. They've graciously hosted us again for the third New Year's Eve in a row. And we're going out on their boat today up the Intercoastal Waterway, and Dave and Brian are going to be fishing. What are you guys fishing for? I don't even know.
Whatever bites.
Anything that bites.
Nothing in particular.
You heard that here, folks. All right, good luck. Oh no!
We'll see what it is. It looks like a fighter.
I see it. Ooh! Whoa!
Oh no, that's a black. That's a black. That's what we have last.
There we go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh.
Another one.
Whoa. Good job, babe. What are these?
Black drum.
Black drum.
It's what's for dinner.
That black drum was so good. Dave filleted it out and we put it on the barbecuer, on a tray in the barbecuer anyway.
There's plenty for 4.
Yeah, it was real mild and delicate. Yeah, so we're at Tomoka State Park. This is just south of Flagler Beach area. Super windy, but we decided we're getting in a kayak and heading out here. There's so many little waterways here. Maybe we'll find a little protected area.
I'll find something. The tide's coming out, so we'll go upriver, and then the tide will help bring us back. It's a little breezy. I was gonna fish, but
yeah,
it's pretty windy.
Crystal's excited she gets to go.
Time for a nap.
All right, let's go. Here we go. Let's take bets on how long it'll take for Crystal to fall asleep. I don't think it's gonna be long. Do you need me to paddle? I'm dog wrangling up here. This is the life. Land ahoy! Time to go make some grub.
Grub?
Grub.
Grub, she says.
There we go, veggie stir fry and skirt steak.
Good.
Thanks for the paddle around the water.
You're welcome. We made a mistake. It turns out that after we got back on the kayak, they said that technically dogs are only allowed in the canoes, not the kayaks. She was cool about it, but I didn't see anything. We've done it so many different places, I never even thought about it.
We didn't know, and I was outside with Pistol, so
I thought
she didn't. I
yeah,
don't know.
I thought they saw us walking around with the dog, and then it took the waiver out. But anyway, you have to have the canoe with the dog. So.
Yeah, we learned.
Like we always say, learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, exactly. That was still a good time. Now we're headed to a Harvest Toast tomorrow morning, a winery. Actually, we'll get there in the afternoon because it's a few hours south of here, I think. So.
Yeah, it's down by Fort Pierce.
Yeah, it's got muscadine wine.
Yeah, I've never had muscadine wine. I know it's a southern thing.
It's a southern grown grape. Is that what it is?
I've heard it in songs.
Yeah.
Muscadine wine.
Me too.
So.
All right.
We'll check that out.
We'll see you down there tomorrow. Good morning. We're on our way to the Harvest Toast, but I have to show you this road going in and out of the Tomoka State Park. It is so cool. It's got all the live oaks, and it's just a jungle. I expect to see Tarzan swinging from the vines any moment.
Jungle.
Can you do the Tarzan call?
I've tried.
No? Too early. You need more coffee for that. All right, check this road out. Summer Crush Vineyard and Winery. This is our Harvest Toast stay for the night. Okay, something so funny happened last night. You see this van that pulled up beside us? Another Zion with Nova Scotia plates. So they parked us out here in this field, and they said there were a couple other campers coming tonight for Harvest Toast. And we were in here, and this van pulls up, and Dave says, "It's another Zion with Nova Scotia plates."
Yeah, I had the blinds shut, and I peeked out, and I go, "Oh, it's a Zion with Nova Scotia." Didn't even dawn on me. She goes, "That's got to be Martinelli."
Yeah, so where we're headed today is to Dupuy Campground, east of Lake Okeechobee, and we're meeting them there today. Neither one of us had any idea that we were here last night, so it was pretty funny to see them a day early.
They're the couple, if you go back, if you haven't seen it, go back to Christmas last year in Florida. We camped at
another free campground in Florida.
Another free campground on, it's like on Blackwater Bay, up from Pensacola Bay.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of the campground, but we spent 3 days with them over Christmas, and we cooked and ate a lot. So
they're from Nova Scotia, but they're originally from the Netherlands, and they have a very interesting story. They are now full-time in this van, and I'd love to sit down and chat with them to share their story with you guys, because really, really neat couple. And yeah, so we're gonna be camped within the next couple days, so next video you'll be seeing more of them. Before we go though, I wanted to talk to you. Dave did a wine tasting, so you've never tried muscadine wine.
It's a southern grape.
What did you think?
Not my thing. The wines here were good wines, like fruit wines, but what I actually did like was they made a port style wine with muscadine wine, which was actually pretty decent. But I think we did the wine tasting, and then they had us taste just muscadine grape juice.
Mm-hmm.
No sweetener added, just the juice from the grape, both white and the red. That was the white was really good. I tried those. Yeah, the white was good. They were really sweet, both of them. And there was no added sugars, just the grape sugars. I couldn't have drank a whole glass of it. We just did a little taste. It would be good mixed with something else, or that's what I thought. Is I wasn't, the muscadine wine wasn't really my thing. Mm-hmm. But it would be something that you would actually, the grape juice itself would be better for, like, if you want to mix some sort of cocktails up and use it for that. I think it'd be good.
Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, and I didn't care for the red. I only like the white, but yeah.
Very, very honey-like consistency, like
It
a
was, yeah. And flavor.
Yep.
The honey. So, anyway, so we're headed to Dubuque Campground. We'll see more Martin and Nellie over there, and we'll catch you down there. Carry on.
carry on.